Welcome back to okamsozor channel. Today I'm sharing 6 awesome DIY hacks using just 2 simple things you probably already have at home: toothpaste and lemon. These everyday items are super versatile, and I'm going to show you how you can use them for cleaning, skincare, and even teeth whitening. Let's get started. Cleaning silver or jewelry. Just squeeze a little bit of toothpaste onto a soft cloth, add a few drops of lemon juice, and gently rub the silver or jewelry in circular motions. Rinse it with water, dry it off, watch and see how shining it becomes. Whitening teeth. Want whiter teeth without buying expensive whitening products? This hack is for you. Add a small drop of lemon juice to your regular toothpaste and brush as usual. Do this once or twice a week for a brighter smile, but be careful not to overdo it, as lemon is quite acidic. See? Acne spot treatment. Got an unexpected breakout? You can dry up pimples fast with this simple mixture. Just mix a small amount of toothpaste with a few drops of lemon juice, apply it to your pimple, and leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing off with cool water. Be sure to use this moderately, as it can be a bit strong on sensitive skin. Removing stains from shoes. Using an old toothbrush, scrub the paste onto any scuffed or stained areas of your shoes and watch your shoes transformed into new. This works especially well on white or light-colored sneakers. Polishing metal faucets. Need to clean your faucets? Toothpaste and lemon can help with that too. Scrub your metal faucets with this mix to remove water stains and add a shine. 6. Deodorizing hands. Ever handle garlic or onions and can't seem to get rid of that smell? Here's a quick fix. Just rub a bit of toothpaste and lemon juice on your hands, then rinse. It'll neutralize those strong odors in seconds. Give this effective hacks and tips a try and let me know how they worked for you in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, share and subscribe for more amazing DIY tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.